Motorists who use the main road connecting Pennants to Brandon Hill in Clarendon are making another appeal for the roadway to get some attention. The road has been in a state of disrepair for years. The motorists say their repair bills are sky high. The motorists showed us trails of oil on the road's sign of damage sustained by a vehicle recently due to the roads.
Well, I just feel like I want to go lay down and right now I have a cow bush to look after. I have to feed and I feel like I just go relax in the bed before I look after it. But the road rough, like hackling, make you feel weary. Me imagine all the pregnant women when they travel upon it. You're sick.
What's that?
Dread money. You have feelings to the man them who own the vehicle, them man, for you see how parts gone, how things expensive.
I have 7 miles of road, and not 1 mile good. And every day we say money grant to fix that road. We will have the crankcase around full lick panel. And if you don't know why, we used to take like 15 minutes to go up, now it take like 45 minutes and an hour.